Welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in this video, we are going to be learn about balloon pop. Let me run it first. See, this is the result that you will get. You have to just click on the balloons so that if you will click on any one of the balloon, you will get like pop sound and your score will get increased. So this is the project that we are going to be start. Okay. See this. So what we are going to be do, it's very simple. We have to create a new project. Like in Google, you have to just search for Scratch. If you don't know the basic thing about Scratch, we already have some videos. I created some videos. That video link I'm going to provide you in the description box so that you can watch that. This is the official link, which is scratch.mit.edu. You have to click here. Then you need to join the Scratch if you are a first time user. So you have to join the Scratch. Once you will join, that video link also, if you want, I'm going to provide you in the description box. Then you have to sign in because in order to save all the projects we will require, we have to join and we have to sign in. Then we need to click on this create button in order to create a new project. So once you will click on create button, you will get this screen. Let me delete the cat because we don't want the cat now. We want to add the balloon. So balloon is your sprite. You have to click on choose a sprite. Then as you can see, this is our balloon. If you want any other sprite instead of balloon, that also you can create. So you can ask me like what is this sprite is something like your characters. Even in mostly in all animation, we have a characters, we have our backdrops, right? So character is nothing but the sprite in Scratch. In order to add some background, you have to click on choose a background, and then we can select any one of them. Suppose we want a blue sky, so you can click on blue sky. See, instead of this blue sky, if you want, you can go with any other one also. Okay. Now, the next part is what we are going to do. As you can see, we have only one balloon, but if I'm going to show you this one, we are getting multiple balloons. So how this is possible? If you have only one, so how you will get the multiple balloon? Okay, that is nothing but we need to create a clone. Clone is something like we need to create a duplicate. Okay, so that I will show you how you can create a clone. And as you can see, we have a score. So how we will get the score? So that both thing we will see. Okay. So always we need to start with when flag is clicked because this is our event. We need to always start with events. Okay. So this is our first event. When flag is clicked, what is the next part that we are going to do? We need to create a score. So score is nothing but variable. Why we are using this variable? Because we need to store something. So in order to store something, we need to require variable. Make a variable, write a name score. Make sure we need to click on for all sprite and then just press on OK button. So see, you will get the score. So you have to just drag and drop set my variable. Instead of my variable, we will take score and that we are going to be start with 0. So that's why you are getting score is 0. Okay. So see over here, we have a score 0. Okay. Then initially we want to hide it. So hide the balloon. So you have to go to the looks over here. You will get this hide block. Then suppose we want to repeat the entire process 10 time or 100 times. So you have to go to the control. Suppose if you want the exact project, so you have to repeat it 100 times. and then we will create a clone. So clone also you will get in the control, create a clone of myself. Okay, so that you will get create a clone of myself. So after creating clone of myself, we will do the second part, how we will decide the random position. Okay, like as you can see, there are lots of balloons. They are moving in a randomly. So how you will get that random position? Again, we need to go to the event when flag is clicked. Okay, always we need to start with event. So as you know, we have X and Y position over here, and randomly we will select some position. So the random value you will get in the operators. If you will scroll down, see where is the random, this one. So for x-axis, it will pick the random value, and for y-axis also it will pick the random value. But which position we want? Suppose we want to pick a value from here to here only. So how you will decide that value? For example, this is the balloon. If you will see the value is something like this. So lump sum you need to take that values, okay? So for example, on x-axis we want minus, because if you will take a left side, that is minus value till 150, which is positive 150. Okay, like x-axis we want from here to here. Same we want for y-axis, like from top to this bottom position. So that is again, for example, we want minus 100 till 150. So 150 is our positive value. This is the random. And always we want a point in direction, like for which point we want. So this one also, as you can see, this is right, left, but we want a random value. So again, you need to go to the operators, little bit scroll down so that you will get a random one, this one. We want random value which is, for example, minus 90. So minus 90 is your left side, minus 90 till 180. So we want this point in direction. Now we have to go to the control. We will add this forever because we have to change the color also. So that you will get in the looks. You can scroll down. This is change size. This is change a color. Okay. We want to change a color, and this color value also randomly we will take. Like let's select from the computer. So we want like 200, then always it will move. So we have to go to the move, like motion like move 10 step, or we can say 15 or 20 steps. If there will be the age, so we need to just select the random value. Let me show you why we are not getting it, because we hide this. Okay, that's why. Let's see the second part now. This is the second because already we did the first, second. Now let's see the third one. Third one is also very simple. I told you have to start with flag, right? So when flag is clicked, we need to show now. Initial we have to hide, but now we are going to be show it. We have to switch the costume. Like as you can see, for ball we have a different costume. So we will start with A. Then we need to go to the motion. We will take our point in direction. So for example, we need to take a random value again, like minus 90 to 180, like from left to bottom. Again, we can change the color. So go to the looks. We can change the color. This one. Okay, suppose we want a color effect a little bit less, which is 10. Again, we can go to the forever. Forever you will get in the control. So forever. In forever, we have a move 10 steps. And if there will be the age, so we need to stop it. Like see. we are getting it, right? But now what we want to add the next part. When we will start the clone, so we want to change something. This is not a perfect. We are getting little bit, but not the entire thing. Go to event again. So what is our next event? When we will start a clone. So where is that? Yeah, when we will start a clone, we have to show it. So go to the looks, we will add the show block. So once we will start, we will show. We need to switch the costume. So switch costume to, for example, now we want this one. Again, we will take our point in direction. So where is this one? And now we want minus 90 to 180. So again, go to the operators, try to take it, which is minus 90 to 180. This is like for every clone what we want. Okay. Again, we will go to the random position, which is go to X and Y. Again, go to operator, take a random value, this one. Same, we want minus 150 to 150 and minus 150 to 150. So it's minus 150 to positive 150 and again minus 150 to negative 150, positive 150. So this one we want for x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Again, we are going to be change the color. We want computer. Let's select the value by computer, which is again 0 to 200. Okay. Because this one we are doing for every clone, every balloons. Okay. After changing the color in forever, it will going to be move some steps. For example, it is 15. And then once you will scroll down, if there will be the age. So we want this thing for, see, wow, it's working now because we added this part for all the balloons. Okay. Now we have a last part, two last parts, which is again when flag is clicked, we have to set the time. So time is again our one variable. So go to the variable, make a new variable, write a name time. Okay, we have to set the time. As you can see, now we have a two thing. One is score, one is time. We have to go to the control because we need to repeat it. So we have to repeat. Where is the repeat? Repeat this one. How many times we are going to repeat? If your time is equal to 0, so go to the operator. We are going to be take the equals. Go to the variable. Take this time. If your time is equal to be 0, we have to wait for some seconds. So where is the wait? That you need to go to the control. Wait for 1 second and then change your timer by -1. So again, you need to go to the variable, change your timer. So time by -1. Like you can play this game for 1 minute or 2 minutes like that. Okay. Now we will do for the balloon. When we will click on the balloon, so go to the events when this sprite is clicked. Like if I'm going to be click on the balloon, we need to switch the costume. So go to the looks again, switch your costume. Then we will start one sound. So go to the sound, start the sound. Change your score because every time we are going to be increase the score. So change the score by 1. If you will take first balloon, you will get score 1. See, wow, it's working. After waiting for some second, like we need to delete that balloon, right? After waiting, for example, 0.3 second, whatever balloon you will click, you have to delete that balloon. So go to the control. Where is the delete? Over here, you will get delete this clone so that you are able to delete it. See, when I'm clicking on any one of the balloon, okay, so that we are able to delete it. So in this way we can create our pop the balloon game. Okay, you can try this game. If you will get any kind of issue, you can mention that into the comment section so that I'm going to reply you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.